Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about managing emotions, not just managing but utilizing them in a productive way so that it benefits you and people around you. As we talked in previous segment about acknowledging the emotion, which is very important part. Now before starting that, I would like to say, if you want to feel things differently, the thing you have to do is to change your perspective, to see the things differently. And to see the things differently, you have to experience new things, or you have to gain knowledge which you don't have. And now, if you want to gain that knowledge, you have to experiment with different things in a different way. That will complete your learning. First, as we talked previously, that acknowledging your emotion is very important. Then, as it's a part of life, we all go through positive and negative emotions. We can't just avoid negative and just select positive for us. I have seen many people, they ask me like, is there any way we can avoid this negative emotions? No, there's no way we can avoid this negative emotion, because it's part of life and it's beauty of life. Without negative emotions, the life would be dull. It will be same, it will be constant, there will be no change. The beauty of life is because of change. And these emotions, we need to balance them. First we need to acknowledge them, then we need to balance them. We go through both positive and negative emotions. So acknowledging negative emotions, then balancing them, taking perspective. It's okay to feel angry over something. If someone says me anything bad about me, of course it's a human nature, I'll feel bad about it. Many people do, and you should feel bad about it. It's not something bad to feel angry or feel sad about anything, sad about your loss. It's natural and we should all feel it. Instead, avoiding it makes it worse. If we try to avoid our emotions, like many people ask me, I don't want to feel the pain, I just want to avoid it. And my answer is, without going through the pain, how can you cross that road? How can you end that? There is no way of ending any pain without going through it, without experiencing it. Now, as we learn to balance and take perspective, we should feel it normal and natural to feel that negative emotions. Then there is a way we can use this emotion either productively or destructively for our own self. Many people use this emotion, direct themselves, select their goals, change their life, and goes on the top of their life. They succeed in every step. And some people who just can't accept this negative emotion, they just collapse. They don't use this energy, they just make the time worse. So I would like you all to use these emotions, acknowledge them, take perspective, balance them, and use these emotions productively for yourself and people around you, so you can achieve whatever you want in your life. So keep looking around, keep learning, keep experiencing things, so you can change the way you feel about things. Thank you.